Hi everybody, Brendan Guire here at MarineMax Orlando, and today we have a 215 XSF Scout that just came in. I'll do a walkthrough video of this. On the back of this boat, you can see the 200 Mercury digital throttle engine. Trim tabs in the back here. See right here we have our rod holders, and then we have a wash down with the hose here. Moving into the boat, bilge underneath here with your igloo cooler. This particular boat was ordered with the midnight edition, which means the powder coated is black. It's a hard top with the spreader lights up top on the hard top. It comes with your VHF radio, a Garmin screen. Right here's all of your Fusion radio, the trim tabs. Back here you have your bait well, recirculating. Scout does a great job with their pop-up cleats so you don't get your lines caught with your fishing. JL audio speakers. Moving up here, the coffin box with the drain, so fish box or a cooler storage, insulated. Storage under all these seats here, very comfortable. And then your anchor locker right up here. And that's it for the walkthrough on the 215 Scout. Come see us at MarineMax Orlando.